Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurhazika Ariana binti Johari, matrix number F1030.
Okay, my name is Nur Aina Safi binti Nur Syahril. My number matric is 23DIB 23F1008.
My name is Nur Anya Jasrin, nomor matric 23DIB 23F1028.
My name is Alia Alisa binti Karazmi. My matric number is 23DIB 23F1020.
Next is table of content. First, introduction. Second, problem statement. Third, methodology. 4 is objective. 5 is discussion. 6 is frequency distribution table. 7 is form of graph and explanation. 8 conclusion. 9 is reference.
The introduction. E-learning has been widely accepted by people across the world as a means of teaching and learning. It began in 1990s and now it has captured almost every aspect of learning. Since then, there is need to improve the medium of learning to make it better and usable by everyone. Following these developments, the emergence of mobile technology has gradually introduced mobile learning into electronic learning sphere. The purpose of this research is to study the readiness of Malaysian Polytechnic students to implement mobile learning by focusing on technology skills. Problem statement. It is viewed as potential significance aids to learning as it has made learning possible at any time and anywhere with the use of wireless internet and mobile equipment. Despite its notable advantages, mobile learning is largely unresearched at Malaysian polytechnics. To serve this purpose, a questionnaire was designed to explore three main readiness, namely equipment readiness, technology skill readiness, and psychological readiness. Methodology. Based on the table to determine sample size by Craigie and Morgan, a total number of 274 semester 4 students were recruited using simple random sampling techniques as a sample from the various academic departments at Polytechnic Tuanku Sultanah Bahiyah. This method was chosen to give every member of the population an equal chance of being selected. Therefore, the authors can unbiased representative of the group. In addition, giving each person an equal probability of inclusion would provide a better reflection of the population. At Polytechnic Tuanku Sultanah Bahiyah, to earn a diploma, students are required to pass English language subjects which are taken in their semester 1, 3 and 4, namely Communicative English 1, Communicative English 2 and Communicative English 3, respectively. Semester 4 students are considered as the most suitable respondents for this study because they have spent the most time in the ESL classroom as to compare to semester 1 and 3 students before, would have higher chance of having mobile e-learning experience in comparison. Objective research. The first one is how well students are equipped with necessary device and technology for the implementation of mobile learning. Second one is what is the level of technological skills needed possessed by students for the implementation. The last one is how prepared are the students psychologically for the implementation of mobile learning. Discussion. In this study, the response for three areas of readiness, technological skills, psychological, and equipment readiness are analyzed and interpreted. With regards to the equipment and technological skill readiness, it is safe to say that the majority of the respondents are well equipped and have good knowledge in handling the device. The data from this research reveal that students are ready and have positive perceptions towards using mobile learning for learning. Lecturers should grab this opportunity to make the teaching a process that could trigger students' thinking, develop their potential, and also promote lifelong learning.
Frequency of table. Class first, class interval 1 to 25, frequency 21, midpoint 13, class boundary 0.5 to 25.5. Second, class interval 26 to 50, frequency 13, midpoint 38, class boundary 25.5 to 50.5. Third, class interval 51 to 75, frequency 23, midpoint 63, 38. Frequency of table. First class interval 1 to 25, frequency 21, midpoint 13, class boundary 0.5 to 25.5. Second class interval 26 to 50, frequency 13, midpoint 38, class boundary 25.5 to 50.5. Third class interval 51 to 75, frequency 23, midpoint 63, class boundary 50.5 to 75.5. 4. Class interval 76 to 100, frequency 4, midpoint 88, class boundary 75.5 to 100.5. 6. Class interval 101 to 125, frequency 1, midpoint 112.5, class boundaries 100.5 to 125.5. 6. 100 class interval 126 to 150, frequency 0, midpoint 138, class boundary 125.5 to 150.5. 7. Class interval 151 to 175, frequency 1, midpoint 163, class interval 151 to 175, frequency 1, midpoint 163, class boundary 150.5 to 175.5. Last, class interval 176 to 200, frequency 3, midpoint 188, class boundary 175.5 to 200.5.
Form of graph and explanation. First, gender. Gender answer this question. The percentage is 55.1 for male. Second gender is female. This percentage is 44.9. Second is cost. Total respondent for cost Islamic banking and finance is 41%. Next respondent for cost business system is 34.3%. Besides, respondent for cost retail management is 12.4%. Finally, respondent logistic and supply management is 12.4%.
The form of graph and explanation. About age, the explanation is total respondent of age among 18 is 29.2%. Next, age among 19 is 25.8%. Beside, age among 20 is 36%. Last, age among 21 is 9%.
Third, religion. The number of Islamic religion respondent is higher than Hindu, Buddha, and Christian. Next is ethnic background. The number of ethnic background Malay respondent is higher than Chinese and India. Based on a questionnaire, question 1 explanation is the number who answer question 1 has a higher answer, which is yes compared to no.
Okay, for mobile learning rate lines among students Polytechnic Nilai, for question number 2 is, do you have a social media app, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, like DLN or etc. on your phone? Its explanation is, the number who answer question 2 has a higher answer, which is yes compared to no. For question, do you have an email on your phone? Its explanation is, question number 3 has higher number of answer which 100%. For question number 4, Do you subscribe to any data plan? Is explanation. Answer question 4 for those who answer yes has higher percentage value compared to no. For question 5, does your handphone have video editing app? Its explanation. Answer question 5 for those who answer yes has high percentage value compared to no. Question number 6. Does your handphone have photo editing app? Its explanation. Answer question 6 for those who answer yes has higher percentage value compared to no. For question 7, can your phone read or open up the following files? First, Word document, PDF document, Excel document, PowerPoint, audio file, photography. Is explanation. Answer question 7 for those who answer yes has high percentage value compared to no.
Mobile learning readiness among student polytechnic nilai. First question, how students polytechnic nilai use technological skill readiness for study? Explanation. The answer to the higher first question is occasionally, which is 67. Next answer to the highest second is occasionally, which is 79. Furthermore, answer to the highest third question is occasionally, which is 72. Besides, answer to the highest fourth question is occasionally, which is 79. Then the answer to the highest five question is sometimes, which is 80. Lastly, answer to the highest six question is occasionally, which is 78. Second question, do you know physiological readiness? The explanation. The answer to the highest first question is natural, which is 103. Next answer to the highest question is natural, which is 72. Beside answer to the highest third question is natural, which is 73. The answers to the highest fourth question is natural, which is 69. Furthermore, answers to the highest five question is natural, which is 69. Lastly, answers to the highest six question is natural, which is 72. Conclusion. The rising speed of mobile technology is increasing and penetrating all aspects of their life, and it plays a vital role in learning different dimensions of knowledge. Today, a clear shift from teacher-led learning to student-led learning is possible with mobile technology, has made learners to feel using the technology is more effective and interesting. In this study, they respond for three areas of readiness: technological skills, psychological and equipment readiness were analyzed and interpreted.